Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $9,611 level right here for YFI, and we are currently ranked at 229 with a market cap of about $320 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $47 million, and we have seen this massive push right here for YFI this week of about 16.3%. Guess who told you about the whole move right here for YFI? Your guy here, the altcoin doctor, right? And basically, if you just see from my last update right here, this was 5 days ago, 1 week ago, when I was still trying to tell you guys, the bulls unleashed. This is just the beginning. And since then, we have seen that massive push right here for YFI. We are up for the week about 16.3%. So without further ado, let us push to the charts. We're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So for ages or for months, I had been telling you that the $9,645 level continues to remain our target right here for YFI, right? We have seen this sort of massive consolidation. I told you guys, do not despair. We are going to the $9,000 level. And so congratulations for everybody that has been with us. We recognize this pattern right here where we see, or we usually see this sort of consolidation, massive push to the upside right here for YFI. The same thing is happening right now. We were seeing expect prices first to into this $9,600 level. Currently, we are at that level. So basically, we could see some sort of consolidation happen right here at the moment at this level. Do not despair. We are still bullish. And then after this consolidation, we could see this massive breakout into the $12,000 level, right? So congratulations for everybody who were down at the $7,000 level. It was like we were never going to pump. And as you can see, we have seen this sort of massive pump. We continue to remain bullish. As you can see, the bullish EMAs are still bullish. We are above the bull market EMA. And so basically, we could continue to see this consolidation just for just some few days before we see this sort of massive breakout into the $12,000 level, right? And as you can see, YFI continues to play out this pattern of the massive consolidation breakout, massive consolidation, and then massive breakout to the upside right here for quant or for YFI, right? Basically, also, if we just look at the volume profile, the volume profile continues to see massive buy volumes continue to come in. We are still seeing massive buy volumes, showing that the price of our YFI is still bullish. As you can see, volume is still seeing massive pressure to the upside. Momentum is still seeing massive pressure. So we are still bullish, expecting higher price targets for YFI, right? So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.